Today we are going to plane spot from the model airport. We got a lot of special birds visiting this afternoon. This is gonna be our spot on the end of the runway, where we've got a great view of both the airport and the runway itself. I just checked flight radar 24 and first we have an A380 from Emirates approaching. Here it is. Wow, that's incredibly big. Let's see how it is going to butter this landing out. Here it's coming right over us, looking smooth and steady for a good landing. A bit of wind from the right, but the pilot deals with it and it's looking safe and sound on the ground. Not the smoothest butter landing, but we'll give it a 7 out of 10. Next we have this DHL A330 cargo. Of course the A330 is known for its absolute butter landings. Let's see how it does now, coming very low right over us. Not bad of a landing, I give it a 7 out of 10. Next we have the Queen of the Skies coming towards us. Here it is, a Qatar Cargo 747-8 freighter. This is the longest aircraft flying today. It has got a length of 71 meters. Quite a bit of wind from the right, but the pilot seems to deal with it, and here it is down on the ground. Good landing, 6.5 out of 10. Ladies and gentlemen, please brace for impact because we have a Ryanair 737 approaching the airport. I hope everyone has upgraded to the package of a healthy bag because this one is going to be a hard one. There is a huge crosswind coming from the left and the pilot decides to go around and try for another time. I hope the aircraft has enough fuel. Here it is coming again towards the airport. Mentally preparing for what's going to be a very hard landing. Here it comes for try 2, once again a big crosswind, but does he manage to put it down now? Yes he does, good landing. For Ryanair standards, that's a 10 out of 10.
Thank you for flying Ryanair.
Now there is a takeoff of another A330, but now it's from the Royal Dutch Air Force. Probably taking off for some ultra secret military mission. Here is the last one for today, Singapore Airlines Boeing 787 Dreamliner. Definitely not the prettiest landing, but it's alright. Thanks for watching, like and subscribe and see you at the next one.